Hey beautiful people, I'm back with a delicious recipe that I'm trying for the first time, like most of the meals I share here. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Thai red curry fish stew. It's jam-packed with that red curry coconut flavor and super nutrient dense with lots of delicious veggies such as grilled red peppers, snap peas, and bok choy. You could easily turn this into a vegan dish by removing the fish in the fish sauce and it would still bang. So if this sounds good to you, just keep watching. There's a host of yummy ingredients in this dish, which you can find in the comments or description, but it was still super simple to make and it's just a one-pot meal when it comes down to it. I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, so I started by grilling my fish and half a red bell pepper. I soaked my fish in lime juice and salt prior to grilling it, and then I seasoned it with garlic powder, adobo, onion salt, and paprika. Once my grilling was done, I moved on to my stew base. I started with some olive oil in a large skillet, added some chopped onions, minced ginger, red curry paste, garlic paste, jalapenos, and fish sauce. Once these flavors started to combine, I added my snap peas and some veggie broth. And let that come to a boil while I washed and prepped my bok choy and chopped some cilantro, green onion, the other half of my red bell pepper, and the true star of the show, the shallot. Shallots offer very powerful flavor to any dish, and they're really popular in Thai cuisine for that reason. Once the bok choy and snap peas had tenderized a bit, I added some coconut milk, more veggie broth, my chopped ingredients, and a bit of salt and pepper. My home smelled so amazing. Finally, I added my grilled cod on top. I let this simmer for about 8 minutes while I worked on my turmeric rice, which I can show you how I made in another video if you're interested. Once the rice was done, I plated the stew over it and voila! You can imagine the loads of flavor this dish is packing. You get a beautiful marriage of the creamy coconut milk with the tang of the red curry and shallots, the savory element of the garlic and fish, and a bit of a kick from the jalapenos and red peppers. With the soft, fluffy, and flavorful rice, it's a super well-rounded experience for your palate. I enjoyed making this, and I enjoyed gobbling it up tons more. Let me know if you try this or something similar. As always, thanks for watching.